Hello everyone. So today we're doing a Valentine's kind of eye look. I did the rest of my makeup, but I do want to tell you what I did for my blush because the blush is just pulls the Valentine's look together. So what I use is this pink shade. Basically any pink eyeshadow will work. And I just like do. But I also first used this Ilia Beauty's multi-stick and a fine romance shade and did that. So I like mixed the two and that's what I did for my blush. On to the look. I have red eyes. Like my eyes around my eyes are red. So it definitely some color correcting has to be done. Duh. Anyways. Magic. Just like magic. Okay. And no, I don't have like concealer or anything. I fully ran out, so yes, I'm using foundation. Bite me. It works just as well. Like, why not? Not bad. Gonna put this under my armpit for later because it gets so warm under my stub. Learned that trick literally a few days ago, and I've been using it the past few days. It's perfect. Anyways, I think we should just start with the base of pink. Honestly, a good base. I'm not gonna be doing much this eye, but I would like to add a pink base. Kind of know what I'm doing for this look, but like also not really. And it's really fun not knowing what is a Valentine's look, because that's what you came here for. Not bad. Okay, I should get a mirror because I need to see what I'm doing. Honestly, and yes, I'm using my phone as a mirror. I'm gonna be using, instead of eyeliner, we're using face paint because it's just easier to use, honestly. Now I just have to water it. Yes, that's what I said. It never gets old saying it though. But like, I'm going to keep saying it. Okay. I have it. And I just do these, okay? We're doing these here. Boom, a V. We don't do anything else here. Only these. Ew. Oh my gosh, it's like looking good. Oh my god. Don't shut off phone. Ew. Alright, ugh. No. It doesn't even show up. There we go. Simple. That was super quick. Literally the fastest ever makeup tutorial I've ever done. But yeah, thank you for watching, y'all. Bye.